Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm not gonna be talking too much, so I'm gonna be doing a knotless braids. So keep watching the video till the end so you guys can see the final result of it. I am not gonna stay too long. I'm gonna put a little bit music in the background so you guys can stay and have fun. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be doing, some people been asking me like, why you don't do a knotless braids on a customer so we guys can see how you do it and the products that you use. Okay, so watch the video till the end. And again, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. So let me know what you think about it, and anything that you guys wanna see me doing in the next video, please add it to the comment, and I'll make sure, if it's possible for me to do, I will do it. If I don't know how to do it, I will tell y'all straight that I don't know how to do it. Okay, so please comment and let me know what you think about the video. Okay, so I'm not gonna stay too long. Watch the video till the end and let me know what y'all think. Keep watching. See you guys next time.